Revolution outer wheel tire installation is insanely hard because the outer wheel is so tight, and so only a pop can do it. And so without the inner tire, he's putting the one side of the outer tire on.
Gentle.
Okay.
Okay.
Start there, one side in, one side out. Get the tube. Hey, buddy.
Pop,
I'm working here, buddy.
Pop. What about Grammy? I'm gonna go change his diaper.
Thank you.
Yes, we are.
So right now I'm just gonna worry about getting the tube up inside the tire.
What are you guys working on that needs the sound off?
Oh, I'm creating a YouTube video of Bob tire change.
Okay, I'm
Bob changing the Bob.
Bob changing the Bob tire.
being annoyed by little Bob.
Never annoyed.
Never annoyed. Okay, so obviously stem lines up. So only remaining job is to get this lip that's outside the rim, inside the rim. So handy dandy pry things. I don't know, I think starting near the stem is right, because you don't want the stem to lose or to shift position. But it's helpful to have somebody hold this big screwdriver.
That's my job.
And then just work it around. So that holds it in place. So the other person just goes around, levering the lip inside the rim. You do it manually. I'll go this way. Okay, wait, I'll move
Here's
over
the
here.
tough part.
Sorry. Working way around. Careful not to pinch the tube. That's just a feel thing. You try not to pinch the tube against the edge of the rim, which is why a custom tool is kind of nice.
Better than the screwdriver.
For this part of it, yeah. One last one.
Yay!
Just
Pump it up.
Stem still. Oh no! Stem doesn't quite line up.
Blame the son-in-law.
Ah,
Yeah,
There we go.
there it goes.
whew, it's about to be blamed.
Thank you.
Ta-da.